Okay, so I have BMW 328i convertible, and for last 2 years my audio has not been working. I didn't take it to dealer, but I took other places, and first couldn't figure out all these mechanics, but then I decided to do on my own. So I'll walk you through how I did it. This is my BMW. It's 2007 328i, and I was able to fix the problem, but I'm going to walk you through how did I fix it, so it may help some of you there. So once you get in the BMW, and let's see, if I turn on the radio, you can hear visit betmgm.com for terms and the volume and everything. It wasn't working a couple of days back. So what did I do? I would suggest, and let me show you how do I need to make it not work, and then I'll show you how it works. So let's see. This I have opened up. You can see this is my amplifier, which I changed. I bought on eBay for $100 or so, and you see on the amplifier this optical fiber right here. So if you open this up, let's see, and there's no light right now because car is off. Let me turn on the car. So I come back here, and I see the light is, you can see the light is blinking, red light. And if you see your amplifier, there should be, if I connect that back, let's see, I connected this back, you can see a yellow light, steady light in your amplifier. That means your amplifier is working. If you don't see that, means your amplifier is not working. If you don't see blinking light there is somewhere optical loop is broken. So that's the amplifier. Then you can see this optical loop is coming here, and this optical loop was connected. So this is the telecommunication unit, and there is another unit underneath which is called MULF. Probably you can see right underneath. So when I was fixing it, I was just trying to bypass this, and it wasn't working, and I got confused that, well, there is nothing underneath. So I, by chance, while I was opening up, I found that. So this was connected underneath. I think that's called MULF unit. So my telecom unit is not the problem. My MULF unit was the problem. So what I did, I bought this bypass from Amazon for I think $15, and I bypassed that. So now if I take this out, you can see light is coming. But now if I go there and I try to turn it on, my radio will show everything, but it will not show the volume. It will not it will not no sound is coming, right? So that's what exactly it did, right? One thing I will say to start your problem, analyzing the problem, I will say one thing. There is a optical fiber terminator underneath your car right here. Okay, let me go underneath and I'll show you. You should start from there. What you do is you go underneath car right there, and you open this, take this out right here. You can't really see it, but if you do see this, I'm taking it out. So this is you can see this, right? That's the optical fiber terminator. Let me unplug it and go from there. Just a second. So I will say start looking at this first. If there is no light coming here, remember that I just took out the bypass loop. So if there is no light coming here underneath, your optical fiber loop is broken somewhere. So let me go back and put the bypass loop, and then you can see the light is coming. And if its light is coming here and somehow you don't have this terminator, I lost the terminator, probably you can use just the bypass loop here as well, or you can use this bypass loop to terminate other places as well. Basically it's a loop, what the Amazon is selling, but it's more in the bracket format. This may not work over there. So let me go back in the car and put the put the bypass loop back on. In this, so light is coming here, but you can see the light is not going back because I don't have this. So if I add this, I just added the bypass loop in there, so now it's coming back. So you would be able to see that this terminator, which is underneath the steering wheel, very close to the connection for the OBD, underneath here, you can see here underneath, right? The light is start coming, but your sound is still not going to work until I plug in the terminator. So let me plug it in.
25 and 55 over
so as soon as I plugged it in, optical fiber loop started. Let me, and then you can see the sound now. So you can see that now my sound started working. It has not been working for 2 years, and I was just didn't want to spend a lot of money on these to fix it, but I recently fixed my airbag sign because of ROC, rollover controller, which I replaced into the back of the seat. There's there, and that phone, and that made me to look into audio as well, and I was able to fix it. So let me just walk through one more. This is your terminator right here, and you guys goes back here. So let me put this back in here. So this is back here now. I will put it back later. The signals come to your amplifier, and if you in amplifier, if you see this steady yellow light, means your amplifier is good. Obviously you can see if the light is coming here, then go back from here, the fiber goes back here, it comes to your telecommunication unit, and then from there it goes down to the MULF, I believe. And this is my MULF was not working, so I took it out and I bypassed through this loop, so it completes the optical loop. And this is easy to take it off. I'm going to put that back, everything. So hopefully this helps you guys. Any question, please feel free to ask me. And just to let you know, I had no experience with BMW, I mean fixing it. I always used to take it to mechanic, but this is about 2007, so it's about 14 years old car, and I didn't want to spend money, but I still loved this car, so I took on myself to fix the airbag sign, to fix the audio, and the one thing which I still have left, and I will fix it, is my TPMS sign, which is still coming, and I have researched online to take out the TPMS model and code it so my car doesn't look for the TPMS. TPMS has been a problem in the BMW when you change your tire from run flat to, which are the original tires, to the regular tire. So I will next video I will show you how exactly I fixed it.